Okay, I'm just wrapping up my final image, which is the wind turbine advertisement. And if you'll notice over here, I have all these layers. I want to preserve all of my layers. So I want to make sure that I'm saving this document as a PSD file as well as a JPEG. So we need the PSD file in order for me to be able to edit all the layers at a later time in case I need to change something. So make sure you're saving everything as a PSD for your own records. But for the class blog and for turning in your homework, you need to save everything as a JPEG in addition to a PSD. So I'm going to use save as, and I'm going to say this is module 1 turbine add and my name. I'm going to save it as a JPEG. It's okay to embed the color profile, no problem. And 10 quality 10 is pretty good. Anything above 8 will be fine for this class. So I'm going to save that as a JPEG. That's good. And now I'm going to hop over to the blog and I'm going to log in. Okay, so this is how you would turn in your homework. I'm going to say add new under posts, and I'm going to say module 1 A Van Wert. Excuse me. Okay. Now here's what you do. You can use this upload insert button to choose each file. So actually I can do it all at once by holding the shift button and clicking on all three. Okay, I can only insert one image at a time. So I'm going to insert Brian. And now I'm going to click on this button again and click on Gallery. And now I can insert Fania. I'm going to do it one more time. Go back to Gallery and insert the wind turbine image. All right, cool. And I'm going to give these a space in between everything. And then in visual mode, I can say Brian Fania and wind energy add. And at the top, I'm going to give it a brief description. Okay, so the description's done. Just write something so that it's not completely empty. And this is module 2, so I'll check that. I'm going to give it a tag, Photoshop, homework, Andrew, stamp tool, some metadata. And then I'm going to publish it. But before I publish it, I can click preview. But better than that, I'll just hit publish. And now when I go to the class website, I can see what I just did right here. Ta-da!